Good day everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at the GitHub's website and I'll be explaining to you guys how can you archive your repository that you've created on your profile. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up GitHub on your web browser, make sure that you're logged in with your preferred profile as well. And now from the dashboard on the left hand side, make sure to select a repository that you'd like to archive. From the top menu, you will click on settings. And on the left hand side in the general settings, scroll all the way down, so all the way until you see the danger zone. Here you'll be able to delete your repository, but there will be no going back, so please be certain about it. And you'll be able to archive this repository, so mark this repository as archived and read only. To do so, click on the button right here. Make sure to be mindful of all of this information that you won't be able to get your repository back and it will be just archived. Type in this for confirmation and click on I understand the consequences, archive this repository, and as you see it will be archived and it was archived directly. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.